You see the strength of that organization, a company called JK, Singanias. I joined, within 6 months of my joining in a brainstorming session, I challenged the organization's belief that they are great in retaining people. They are celebrating 25 years of service. And I said, do you know what people in the market talk about our company? They said, what? He said, JK means jaoge kahan? Because tumko kahin dusre jagah mein naukri nahi milta, you are here. See, that's freedom of expression. No, I see it. I took the courage to ask, I tested myself. Then I remained that company for 9 years. Like, here is a company, I can challenge the status quo. I can make a point, even if it is very embarrassing to the owners. And in the same company, in that company, the issue was, like Dwarka's specific point is, how did you get leaders? In that company, the problem is, nobody retires. So I personally signed one letter. No, when a person leaves or dies, you have to write a letter that his name is stuck up from the rolls of the company. A person died at the age of 87 years. I signed that letter. In that company, how do you take care of the growth of the people? No, you just see the issue, no? I mean, it's a good thing is people are staying there for long. That's the good thing. But what about the youngsters, the dynamic people, the energetic people, ambitious people, aspiring people? In that structure, we implemented a business process reengineering in the tire industry, where we created positions leaving out from hierarchy, leaving out from the functions. We broke all silos in the tire industry. No finance, no HR, no production, no maintenance, no quality, nothing. Everything is a process. If you can manage a process, you become a leader. So we divided the whole organization into processes, and you are the boss of the process. You cannot become HR head, but you can become a process head. So this is one example of this. Coming to Reliance. Reliance is the organization and the individual. Individual is always challenged when it comes to the growth and career development. Organization is never under pressure that I have to take care of this person. The problem is on the individual and the leader, that any time a new opportunity will come, any time a new assignment will come, any time a growth will come to you, you are always on the toes. Because this growth. I mean, take one example of yarn. We had one business head for yarn. Now then we said POY, DTY. In DTY we said FTY, HTY, ATY. Instead POY, HDY, FDY. So many products. Each product has got a business head. Within that business head, one export, one domestic, north, south. So much. So this is another way of attracting people into the organization, retaining people within that structure. Growth is the call. Growth is the power. Growth is the energizer in the organization, that you don't have to worry. If you contribute, you are ready to contribute, ready to learn, ready to take up challenge. Growth and position is never a question mark in Reliance. So these are the two experiences.
Well done.